Welcome back, besties. I've been riding with you. After work, we went to visit my colleague Edo's sister at the hospital, whom her little baby was admitted for days now. The hospital is very big, and the amazing thing I like about the hospital is that the environment is very clean. The nurses, the doctors, they attend to their patients with love, unlike some other hospitals. I don't want to mention names. Anyways, that is story for another day. We spent few hours with them and went straight to the onions market located in Agbo Delta State. We went to the market to purchase some fruits because my baby sister, the madam of the house, messaged me on WhatsApp and told me to buy some fruit for her that she has been craving for fruit salad. Can you imagine? And she even gave me the list of some of her favorite fruits for me to buy. Okay, oh yeah, madam, bring money. And her question was that, are you not my big sister again? Use your money. And she went offline just like that. How can someone be craving for something she does not have money to buy? How can someone be broke and proud and at the same time demanding? Anyways, all these last born, no problem. In my next life, I'll be a last born. I forgive her. So after we bought the fruit, we went to one Hausa store that sells suya. Come and see different sizes and prices of suya. Me and my sister from another mother decided to enjoy ourselves a little because na suya we chop, we not keep person. So after the little enjoyment, we boarded the bike and went to our various destinations.
I bought watermelon, pineapple, cucumber, and apples. The first thing I did was to wash my hands with clean water and dried it up with a kitchen towel. And I placed the fruit in a clean bowl, added some salt, and washed my fruits before chopping them into chunk sizes. I have a question to ask why we wash the fruit. So you are in love again after many years of being single. But the problem you have with this guy is that when he starts talking, he doesn't give you a chance to talk. He so much love the fact that he's a man and he's the controlling type. But mind you, you love this guy so much. What advice do you have for that sister? Please drop a comment at the comment section. Thank you. After chopping them, I transferred it to a big bowl. Mixed them well by shaking the bowl as seen in this video. I added condensed milk. Pardon me guys, I forgot to make mention of the condensed milk earlier. Feel free to be generous with the milk, and you can also make use of the normal regular milk. The choice is totally yours. After adding the condensed milk, I also shake it to mix and marry each other properly, and it's ready to enjoy. You can leave it in the freezer for some minutes if you are the type that likes it cold, but my madam was in a hurry and couldn't wait any longer. So we are done and it's time to enjoy with the family because my other siblings, mom and auntie, tasted it and they loved it and finished everything. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.